What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I have some content shooting to do at a restaurant for a client. So yeah, let's go. Guys, we found another vlogger here.
Hello.
Hello. Am I too close? Yeah, right.
Someone who brought me into vlogging. Please say hi.
Hi. Anyway, a little backstory about how I landed them as my client. So I was here. My friend brought me here when they first launched, and I ate it and I love it. So I came here again by myself, and I ordered something and I make a video about it, a review about it. And then they somehow saw it, and then the third time that I came, they was like, hey, thank you for making that video and blah 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 blah. And then like, okay, hi, this is what I do. I mean, if you guys are interested, you know, we can talk about it. And then yeah, the deal is done. But they're more like my friends now rather than a client, but they're still paying me. But they are a really, you know, they're really nice people. The whole team is just amazing as well. Maybe because I don't know. But yeah, everything is going well so far. And yeah, today is just another content shooting for their new menu. They are having a Western menu, so yeah, I'll be shooting for them. Hi, is it recorded?
Yes, it's recorded. Do you want to say
We're here to shoot some content for the Upper House Grill and Bar. And yeah, she's gonna help me as a host.
senior talks, right?
Senior talk.
Yeah, I'm here to help. Anyway, bye.
Okay, first dish. She
asked me what am I doing, what will I have. I said, okay, you can just offer us anything that you prepare. So I'm like, okay, it's fine. And she was like, oh, I can order for you something. Yeah, that's so nice of her.
Yay.
And I'm here.
Welcome to the
free food.
Burmese community.
I like your lens. You see, it's wide angle. I like that. Mine is so near.
But this is $4,000 camera, that's why. Anyway, this is Cindy, by the way. She's here to help me shoot some promotional video for this place, for this restaurant, because you know, I think about it, you know, I don't think everybody wants to see my face all the time. So yeah, and
Please subscribe to my vlog.
oh yeah, she's starting a vlog. She's starting a vlog.
Thanks
So
to him. He gave
Sa-
me so much recording. Wait, why am I not recording this?
anyway, thank you for coming down to shoot, and yeah, let's see how the shoot goes. Into the kitchen, the back kitchen. Alright. This is a very spacious kitchen, to be honest, and they have the charcoal grill, which I did not expect it. So every barbecue item that is coming out is from this grill. Pretty sick, man. Quite spacious. Third dish of the day. Salted egg pork. Okay. No, this is just for my vlog. Every vloggers be like, I need to shoot this too. I need to shoot this too.
I gotta shoot everything, man. Okay, alright, okay, I'm back.
Want those?
Like,
I just want those like, what's that?
sunlight rays.
Wow, shady.
It's okay. This is a raw shot. And again, turn the wheel.
Yeah, turn the wheel. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Gonna
Money shot, bro. Money shot.
I'm not getting paid though, but it's okay. This is gonna be the start of my career.
This shop. I think I might enjoy working in the kitchen because, you know, I was just shooting around. It's fun, apart from the smell, the oil smell, because there's a ton of, you know, chicken drumlet being fried on the side. There you go. And the fish looks sad.
It's fucking dry.
The fish is like, eat me, eat me. I'll put this in the vlog. How do you usually eat your chopstick? I mean chopstick. Eat your chicken chop.
The Chinese way. Chinese way.
Because I'm going for a run later on. 10 km. 10 km, yes.
Do you need the plate?
Later, well, yeah. I thought it's yours. Yeah. No, I just want to taste a little. Stealing food from other tables.
Stealing food from other tables.
Yeah. Fish and chips, you like, yeah.
I need to get used to it. Used to everything.
I think you have plenty of content to shoot in New York. Guys, this is so good. Rosella leaf rice salad. I think that's the name, but they don't have a name for it yet.
It's really good. It's really good. I swear.
So good.
I made it. This is the best that I've had so far from this restaurant.
Vlog within the vlog.
Say hi to each other.
Vlog session.
Why it has supposed to be my face? Because it's sitting like Is that right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Try and then you let me know. How's the taste?
Interesting.
Interesting. Damn, bro.
Have to take me to Myanmar.
Yes, let's go.
You to Myanmar.
Take me to Penang.
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, I'm pretty much done with the shoot. It is 8 p.m. now. I'll be going out for a run later on, 10 km. I am clocking some miles for something exciting that I haven't shared with you guys. So yeah, the shoot was amazing. It was a fun shoot, but I think I'm gonna have a very tough time editing all those footages, you know, up to the level of a marketing level. So yeah, it's gonna take me a while, but it was fun shoot today. And now we're just gonna eat some dessert as to end of the day. She's still vlogging. Hi.
You want to show the camera? Come on, camera. Say
Okay.
hi to each other.
Hello.
We're still shooting.
Yes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So dessert time. Good run, bro.
Oh, you know, man.
Whew. 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. Okay. So tired, man. Anyway, this is the end of the vlog. Yeah, I just want to update you guys a little bit because I think you guys would have known, because I'm gonna post that running vlog first before this vlog. But just to give you guys an update, I'll be doing an ultra marathon next year, August 2024, 2025, right? And it's gonna be a crazy story. The more details will be on the other vlog that I'll be posting up, and yeah, just bring you guys along on my, you know, day in my life kind of thing. Yeah, I think I'm doing this marketing thing pretty new. So far I've received quite a lot of things, and I think I will show you. I'll probably put up like a end product in this same video as well, so you guys can judge it for yourself. It's pretty good, to be honest. I feel like it's good. So yeah, hopefully I can keep up with this. Like, I can gain more clients and then keep up with that. So yeah, that's the goal. And then, you know, I can drop my, you know, the bar side, the production side, and then just focus purely on marketing, which I enjoy a lot. Anyway, thank you, Cindy, if you are watching this vlog, for helping me out. I still have a lot more videos to shoot. Maybe if you're still in Singapore, you can still help me out. But thank you for today, and thank you guys for watching the vlogs. Appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.